How to buy Prime membership in Amazon. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can buy Prime membership on Amazon, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to buy the Prime membership, the easiest way I would recommend is that you open your browser, then just come to this URL, which is amazon.com/Amazon Prime. I will also make sure to drop a direct link in the description box below. Once you come here, just make sure that you're signed into your Amazon account from here, and after you make sure that you're signed into your Amazon account, you will see this type of option where you'll see the Prime button. Then you'll see start your free trial. So tap on the start your free 30-day trial option. Then on the next page you'll be able to see all the benefits that you get with Prime, and from there you should be able to see add a credit or debit card button. So you can just make sure to tap on add a credit or debit card, and after you've done that, you can simply make sure to enter your card number, then just hit the apply button. Then once you've done that, you would have successfully bought Amazon Prime subscription. This way you can buy Prime membership on Amazon. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.